So, hello guys, and welcome back. Today we have RIP. RIP is a writing information protocol. It's a distance protocol that uses a hop count. So let us configure the RIP. I already configured the PCs, which is 192.168.10.10, and its default will be 192.168.10.1, as well as these PCs. 192.168.20.10, and its default will be 192.168.20.1. So let us start with this router 2. No, enable config. Let's change the host name R2 and no IP domain to prevent any errors. So this interface will be 0 by 0, gig 0 by 0. IP address will be 192.168.10.1, and its subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Let's exit it. Gigabit 0 by 1. IP address will be 10.10.10.1. Subnet mask will be 255.255.252, so it's /30. No shutdown. Let's configure this pointer. Say no, enable config T. Let's change the host name from R or R3. No IP domain lookup. Now let's configure the interfaces. Gigabit 0 by 0. IP address is 192.168.20.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. The other interface, gigabit 0 by 1. IP address is 19, no, it's 20.20.20.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.252. No shutdown. We are in this router. No, enable config T. Host name R1. No IP domain lookup. Interface gigabit 0 by 0. IP address is 10.10.10.2. Subnet mask will be 255.255.252. No shutdown. Exit interface gigabit 0 by 1. IP address will be 20.20.20.2. 255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Now we have configured all the interfaces. Let's check if this PC can ping its default, which is ping 192.168.10.1. Yes, it can ping its IP, its default IP address, default gateway. Let's check if the PC1 can ping this PC. which are not on the same subnet, on the same network. 192.168.20.10 destination host unreachable. So in this case, we need to configure the RIP, Routing Information Protocol. Let's come here, exit, router, RIP. The RIP has a version, which is, we will use, there's two versions. So the second version, and then we have to say no auto summary to prevent from any errors. Network, we have to advertise only the two directed connected networks, which are 192.168.10.0. We don't need any white mask or subnet or any kind of wildcard or subnet mask. Network 10.10.10.0. Exit to right. To show run, let's check our configuration. Yes, we have advertised this network, which is 10.10.10, and this network on gigabit 0 by 0, which is 192.168.10. Let's come to this router, exit, router RIP, version 2, no auto summary, network will be 10.10.10.0. The second network will be 20.20.20.0. Exit to right. Let's come to this router. It's very simple. RIP version 2, no auto summary, network will be 20.20.20.0. Second network will be 192.168.20.0. Exit to right and show IP route. So the RIP, it's here. So by RIP, we have 10.10.10 and 20.20.20. So now we have configured the RIP. Let's check this PC can again ping this PC. It will take time. First packet or the first traffic always losses. Let's recheck. Yes, it can ping. Let's check from this PC. First, let's ping the default gateway 192.168.20.1. Yes, it can ping its default gateway. Ping PC1, which is 192.168.10.10. Yes, it can ping. This is how to configure the RIP. So guys, hope you enjoy. Thank you.